Here's a 2017 Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive. From the toughest job site to the most rugged campsite, this truck was built to handle it all. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection proclaims the Tundra bewilders with sheer equipment possibilities. Whatever the purpose, there's a Tundra for it. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
At Westchester Toyota Scion, located near Westchester, New York, and our Westchester Toyota Scion website, call, click, or stop in today.